Hi everyone, it's me, Fawn, back at it again for another tutorial. Now I'm so sorry I wasn't able to upload as much tutorials as I wanted. I was supposed to upload every Sunday, but I'll explain in the video, but let's just jump right into the tutorial. And the foundation I'm using today is my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in the shade 400. So I really wanted to upload every Sunday, but I wasn't able to, unfortunately, because I was on vacation by my sister in Montreal for like the whole of August, for the entire month of August. And before I left, I pre-recorded like a bunch of videos to upload, and so I pre-recorded enough videos to last for like 3 weeks, and ended up staying for like a whole month. So I kind of missed 2 Sundays uploading, and I really wanted to upload like every Sunday, but now that I'm back home I could get back into the groove, and so we're gonna go back to uploading every Sunday. At least once for the week. It doesn't have to be Sunday. So basically I had like the best summer ever with my sister Lisa. She was on my channel before. Like, we had the best time. I went flying with her. She's studying to become a pilot, so we went flying like a couple times. So yeah, we went flying. We went to a music festival called Oshiaga in Montreal. What else did we do? We did a bunch of stuff. It was like a full summer. We went to Boston. First time for me. Boston, Massachusetts. We went to Mount Washington in New Hampshire. It was just like a really jam-packed summer. So I'm back home now. I'm gonna be starting work real soon. For those who don't know, I'm a substitute teacher. I substitute teach at the charter schools in Rochester. It's back to work now for me. Summer's over. My birthday is on the 7th of September, which is coming up. By the time I upload this, it will either be on my birthday or after my birthday if I upload it on Sunday. So kinda excited for my birthday, kinda sad because I'm gonna be 26. A whole 26. I use 4 pumps of the Fenty, and I just want to cover all my marks with it. It's nice and buildable, but the coverage isn't full or anything. I find myself having to go over quite a bit to cover these marks on my face, and that's the only deterrent I have from using it. If my skin had like no marks, I'd love this foundation. I use it all the time, but it just kind of sucks trying to cover imperfections with it. I'm just gonna cream contour my cheeks slightly. Recently I'm back to an old faithful concealer. It's the LA Girl Pro.conceal, but this time I'm using the shade Fawn. Usually I use Toffee, but for some reason when I was gonna buy it, I was like, Toffee looks like strangely too dark to use under my eyes, and I used to use that all the time, so I don't know what happened. Every time I squeeze this out, I always do it far away because it kind of splatters, and I'm wearing a white shirt, so no. And I really like how this pairs with this Fenty foundation. I've been using this Fenty foundation every time we went flying because it's like it doesn't transfer, so when I'm wearing like the headset, it wouldn't get on the headset, so I love that about it. And it stands up pretty well in humidity as well, because sometimes the plane gets so hot because it is summer, and well, it was very hot when we were flying. Sometimes it doesn't stand up as good in humidity as the Maybelline Superstay, but I mean, it does the job. I really like how it doesn't transfer. That's like a real plus for me. The shade isn't too light of a highlight, which I like because this Fenty foundation is like exactly my shade. So if I brighten my eyes too much, it will look like white. And this Makeup Revolution powder lightens the heck out of everything I use, so we're not going too light or anything. I'm taking my usual e.l.f. blush in, my e.l.f. blush in the shade Brick Red. I love this blush. Kind of contours my cheeks. I like to apply a lot. So, going in. Once we have tons of blush on, we're gonna go in and contour our nose. And I got the Morphe Dare to Create palette. It's probably dirty because I've been using it since I got it. It's a beauty. Oh, isn't it gorgeous? I'm absolutely in love with this palette. I've been using it constantly since. This is the Dare to Create palette. It is gorge, 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 gorge. I love it. It may replace my Jaclyn Hill palette, but I love how it has like big shades that you can use like on the eyes. So right now I use this shade to contour my nose. I saved this so I could tell you the names. The name of that shade is Evolve. I use Evolve to contour my nose. My sister and I, we were contemplating if to get like this or the Jaclyn Hill Vault palettes, and we were like, with all those issues that we're hearing with the Vault, we were like, why not just get this one? Because I mean, it has like almost all the same shades, and if you have the Jaclyn Hill palette, the original one, and you have this, you basically have everything in the Vault already, in the Vault collection. So I'm really happy that we choose to get this one because it is so nice. So once my whole face is done and set, now we can go in with the eyes. I use this as a base now because it is way too light for under my eyes, and it works really well as a base. We're going in with this Morphe shade. She is a lot darker than I expected. She's a little dark for a transition shade, I must say, but it's very nice. I'm going to want Define Me to blend out the edges of Passion. I don't want that pink like too high like in my brow bone, if you know what I'm saying. Next, for the crease, I want to take this really dark pink shade. It's called Create, and we're taking this dark pink shade. Now, once you build up to the intensity that you want with this color, I'm gonna take a small blending brush and we're just gonna blend out the edge using the same shade Passion that we used in the crease before. and just literally blending out the edge of the shade. Like so. And once we have our pink built up, I think I'm gonna put away my Dare to Create for a bit, and I'm taking out another Morphe palette. This is the 35S. And we're going to be playing with these shades now. Okay, so we are going to cut our crease. So once we have our crease cut, we are gonna go in with our lid shade. So we're gonna go for this orange eyeshadow from my stick palette. It's really messy, but we're gonna take this orange and pack up the brush. Try to get as much pigment as possible. Ooh, I love how orange this is. We're going in for shimmer orange. Take this shimmery orange, this one. Ooh, me like. We're gonna put the pink on the outer corner. We're gonna blend some of the pink underneath. I'm gonna take this really nice iridescent color right here. Really cool. Ooh, this shade is very cool. And these are the eyes. I think it's so cool. And I'm just gonna line my upper lash line with some black eyeliner. I'm gonna apply these big eyelashes. Do some mascara on the lower lash line, and I'll be right back to complete the lips. So I just remembered that I did not highlight my face, so we're gonna do that right now. I'd like to do something pink and fun, but I didn't bring it down, and I'm too lazy to go back up to take down a highlight. So we can either use the inner corner on our cheeks. I think I'm gonna try that in a little. Ooh. This shade isn't like glowy though, but looks cool, but it's not like a glowy beaming highlight or anything. So I'm gonna mix in some of my Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood highlight just to give that more like shimmery glow. There we go. There we glow. Ooh. See that? It kind of transformed our shade into like a glow shade. I'm taking some on a small brush and passing it up under my nose. So you see, sometimes you don't always have to go out and buy the hottest new thing, the hottest new product. Sometimes you could take what you have and turn it into something great. That's just what I like to do, maybe because I'm cheap. So that highlight is popping, it's zapping. I'm thinking about doing this purple lips. I'm really liking this lipstick with these eyes. So yeah, this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you again in my other videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and turn on that bell so you can be notified when I do upload my videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Hey, where do you think you're going? Did you check out my other videos? Did you subscribe to my channel? Well, you can subscribe to my channel right here, or you can check out my most recent upload right here. Bye guys.